You can build a light visualizer inspired by close encounters of the third kind. When you press a key on a MIDI controller, a NeoPixel lights up and stays lit as long as you hold it down. On release, the light fades out, making this a playable visual interface. The matrix display is arranged in a 6x12 grid that's mapped to musical notes, with each row making an octave. There's 24 different colors that span across 2 octaves and then tiles across all 6 rows. The frame is 3D printed and it features black LED acrylic panels to diffuse the 72 NeoPixel LEDs. It uses a NeoPixel Pebble strand, where each LED is coated in epoxy and spaced apart with flexible wires, making them easy to embed into the 3D printed grid. The LED strand is wired up to a Feather RP2040 PropMaker and uses CircuitPython code to turn it into a USB MIDI device. In the code, there's a few functions that map MIDI notes to the matrix and handle pixel indexing. The loop checks if any new MIDI messages come in and reacts to them by either instantly lighting up or fading out. The fade-out animations are non-blocking, so playing multiple MIDI notes won't build up over time. This makes everything feel smooth and responsive. It also works great with pre-recorded MIDI, so you can set up your favorite arrangement and display a colorful light show. The light board is 16 inches or 40 centimeters long, so we had to split it into 2 halves in order to fit it onto the bed of our 3D printer. The grids are fitted into frames and then secured together with connector pieces that feature dovetail joinery. The standing legs are also connected with these dovetails, and it props up the display at an angle for a better view. The diffusion panels can be 3D printed in PLA filament, but this washes out the LEDs, especially in a well-lit room. Black LED acrylic, however, really makes the LEDs pop with saturated colors and a matte black surface finish. The LED pebbles just press fitted to the slots on the back of the grid, making a zigzag pattern. It's easy to install and there's no need for glue or any hardware fasteners. You can get all of the CAD files, code, and a full step-by-step tutorial on building this project from the guide at learn.adafruit.com. We hope this inspires you to check out NeoPixel Pebble strands and the Feather RP2040 PropMaker for making your own light-up display.